On this week's episode, caramelized chocolate nut bark. Start by roasting 2 cups of your preferred chopped nuts. I use 1 cup of Brazil and almond nuts. To a saucepan, add 1/8 cup of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon oil, 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Place on a high heat and stir until it bubbles and ingredients combine. Add the roasted nuts and mix until liquid evaporates. To a metallic bowl, add a 1/4 cup caster sugar and a teaspoon salt. Add the nuts to the bowl and shake until the nuts are coated. To a lined baking tray, add melted chocolate. I use milk chocolate, but highly recommend using dark chocolate. Then add the nuts. Drizzling melted chocolate on top is also optional. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until completely firm. Break into shards and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Love you all, and God bless.